What's up, guys? What's up, guys? How we doing today? It's your boy MOE here. Welcome to Life of Blues Trading Academy. And today I'll be dropping some previous week trades I entered. The trades that I got in, the one that we could have caught if we have traded the New Year session, and how we will manage our stops and break even. So this is purely for scalpers. If you're looking into going into scalping, breakout strategy and whole, this is for you. So now let's go over to the chart and let's start, and let me show you how we trade this pair. So this is it. Now let's go over to the chart. Let me show you on how we trade this pair. Now, if most of you know me, that I trade just one pair, which is the GBPJPY, and this is it. We can see it here. These are my charts, and let's walk our way through to the first day of the week. This is a daily candle, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's take it all out. Let's bring our play bar and take it all out. 4, 5. That's it. Check it all out. So the next day is the week started from on the 15th or 16th. So what first thing we'll do, we clear all our chart room or drawing. And now just analyze this. Now let's assume this was the start of the week. Now, first thing we do, we notice that this price is has currently been for a few days now, since October 21st. It has been rallying to the downside. It's been forming a bullish trend, a bearish trend, sorry. You can see it here, and it got to this point. So now the first thing we do before we continue is that we know that, yeah, it has been running down on a bearish trend, but the overall trend still remains bullish on the daily time frame, because this was our previous low. Yeah, this was previous low, and as long as price hasn't broken our daily low, which is here, we still remain bullish. So until price comes below here and break the structure, that we have a new trend. So for now, as long as price is still in between this our zone, above this level of support, we still have an overall bullish trend. So now, as it is now, we're in trading the daily time frame. So what we do, we mark up our day, we scalp the London session, we get our 10 people, and we're out. Then this is what we do. We mark up our low, we mark up our previous day, previous week low and high, which is this. You can see price created a level there, and previous day high, which is this same candlestick high. That's what I mark. So I'll go to the 4-hour time frame and look for a clearer setup. You can see that price has a level of resistance above here. Let's take this up here. Then this is like our 4 hours sideways movement. Price has been changing in 4 hours. So this is our 4 hours resistance above this level. So let's scale down to the 1 hour time frame and check if it corresponds. Now, looking at the 1 hour time frame, you can see clearly that it all corresponds together. It's all working out well. You can see how the markets move. You can see, like I said, this is 4 hours consolidation sideways market. So you can see in the 4 hour that price is moving sideways. Price is moving sideways on the 1 hour time frame, but we're not concerned about that. So now let's fast forward our bar to a new day. Now you can see this. Now this is around 7 o'clock. So this is perfect time for us to trade. 7 o'clock. This 7 o'clock. So the London session start around 9, 8, 9. So let's go to a 15-minute time frame, which is our entry time frame, and see what we can get from the market. So this is 7 o'clock. So let's see, 7 o'clock should be around 8 o'clock, but due to the geographical change of the market, so our London session is now 9 o'clock. So let's see, now we have a clean break. Most of us know we play the breakout here. So we have a clean break of structure here. And what we'll do, I put my price created a level of resistance. You can see we have a clean candle to the left hand side. So I need price to break above this resistance level for us to continue for a buy. So let's see how it works out here. So let's keep on, okay. Now you can also observe that there's a level of support down here. But due to the fact the choppiness of all this would be a clear place one price to break below the structure to be on the safer side. So one price to break below this level of support for us to have a clean sell. But let's see how it goes. Okay, the price respected that into levels support. We have a break. But like I said, to avoid all this choppiness, so it's better not to trade it. And the good thing we didn't trade it. Okay, can we see buy? Let's see. Wait, you can see you are already in the normal session. I didn't really get a clean trade. Let's in our next close videos we're posting, I'll teach you guys how to trade in the range. But for now, it's just purely breakout. So let's see. We didn't get much trade in our London session. This is a break. Now for those traders that trade impulsive entry, you'll probably get in after the break of this high. The entry will go probably around here. And if they're going for a 10 pip, this trade I wouldn't have entered it, I wouldn't have traded it. Going for a 10 pip, they have gotten that clean 10 pip in 150-minute candle. And you can see prices reverse after that. So let's fast forward to the next day. Let's see if we can get a better trade on Tuesday. I think we had a losing trade on Monday, so I think I can't remember, but I think we had a losing trade. I think we forced our way into a trade which was not good. So I think I had a losing trade. I think I've learned from it, went over it. So since we're in new day, let's fast forward. Let's see how we have executed this trade. Now this is a new high price. I created a new high for us. So that way one price will break above our new high. So this is 1 o'clock, which is 2. Let's by this time would have been sleeping. Sorry, let me put it in Nigeria time, Lagos. Okay. Time is correct. So this will coming up. So let's fast forward. This is now when I created a new high, this is around 4, 5 o'clock. Now we have a good level of we have a resistance here. We have a support here. You can see that. So now let's see how price plays out. Oh, sorry. This is the sorry. This is 30-minute time frame. I'm very sorry. Let me apologize for this. Now let's go to the 15 minutes. I think we got into this trade on Tuesday, and it was off the 15 minutes time frame. Okay. Probably the one 5 minute. Okay, I got into this trade on Friday, and it was probably around here. Yeah, this was a buy. This was a buy here. This was the buy. Now, expected price to break above this 15 minutes high, which price did. So we didn't catch this move because this was a news. This was a news that pushed this price this way. So we didn't catch it. So what I did, I expected price when price broke above this level. I had a stop here. Then my take profit, my stop loss was below the 15-minute candle, and I had a 10 pip. I had a 10 pip, and price easily got there. And after that, price started reversing. Yeah, I can remember. So this was my entry on Tuesday. Yeah, this was it. I'm sorry for rushing it, but this was my entry on Tuesday. So let's go over Wednesday, and let's see if you have other setup forming up. So let's go over Wednesday. Let's see what the market got in stock for us. This week was one of it moved rapidly. Pricing gave us time. Pricing gave us enough setup. Just moving. You know, we have come to the end of the year. The year is almost over. So no cleaner setup like we used to. But bottom line is that you need to know how to manage your stops. You need to know how to manage your risks, and that's it. Okay, this is around. 5 o'clock. Okay, 6. Okay, now we have a clean setup here. You can see price is consolidating. Let me clear up all this, clear up a chart. You see price is consolidating, so we have a level of resistance here. We have a level of support down here. So let's see how this plays out. Yeah, this is a break, but I want price to break below the structure and break above this high before I go for a buy. And I'll have my stop loss right below it's the previous candlestick if it does that. So let's see. Okay, you can see it's wonderful. Price, as long as price broke above the structure, you can see this was a clean buy. Price just went that way. You can see the clean buy, very clean, very wonderful. So if you've entered it, you could have gotten your 10 pip easily 10 pip, easily in and out. You can see the first 15-minute candle already gave us all we needed for the market. You can see it. The first 15-minute candle already giving us all we needed for the market. So let's move on to the 18th of November. Please, I hope you guys are following. If there's anything you don't understand, you can pause and see how I got into the trade. I'm trying to explain in detail. If you can join me on my Zoom every morning, my link is on my bio. The link is below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this coming in every week. Every weekend, we see videos about the previous week. So that's it. So now let's go over. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please, let's continue to our video. So let's go over 18th, 18th, 18th of today's 18th of, so let's see any setup we had on the 18th. So currently now this is on the 4th. You can see that there are not a lot of movements. You can see it's up and down, price creating higher highs and lows, going up and down. You can see we don't have a very clean bullish momentum in the market. So let's see if we can get anyone on the 18th. So this is already 4 o'clock, 5, 6. So now this is it. Now 15-minute candle. Let's see. Let's start to work our way through. Let's clear up our chart. Always clear anytime you're coming in the market, a new day, coming up fresh, clear up our chart. So looking at the structure, I'll put my level of support here, but there's not much range. So I'll have price break above this zone for buy to this position somewhere around here. So let's see what price does. 15 minutes time frame is my entry. So this is it. So let's see how price plays out. Okay, doesn't the break here. Okay, so let's get in from this is a candle, good candle. Let's see price break above. Yeah, probably would have been the best place to buy above this resistance, but let's see how it plays out. Let's see how it plays out. You see, if you're going in here, we'll have gotten stop out a long time ago because this is a 21 pip. Normally have a 10 pip stop, so I've gotten it here. Like I said, this would have been a better place to buy, but let's see how it goes. Bullish. Okay. So you see price just came to this level and it tested the level and fell. Should have a bearish fall. Should have a bearish fall. So this level was a very strong level of resistance. So where we have been a better buy was above this zone and price didn't break above it. So what would have done if you have gotten the trade off here, because it is like a breakout, what you have done to manage your stop is this. If you have entered it off this level, which is this candlestick, you can see price also gave you a very clean rejection failure to continue. to the upside. So I think we enter this trade. So if you have entered it above it, probably above here, it's like 11 pips stop loss. So it's 11 pips stop loss. What we could have done, is, as price is moving below, and you see price breaking below this zone, after price push up and start showing a bearish move, and it's breaking below the zone, you start closing position, start closing 50%, class closing. As the more it comes down, you close more position because there's no longer bearish momentum to continue pushing the market. And another thing you should observe, that you should have noticed that this on the left hand side, there's a a strong possibility that price might be coming for a retest, so fall down. So this might be like a break and retest. So as you see that, okay, your psychology of saying, okay, it's time for me to start managing my risks and closing my positions. So that's how we have managed this, and probably come out in lesser drawdowns and all. So let's go over the 19th. Let's see what we could have gotten on the 19th. This is clear up chart. 5 o'clock. So yeah, we'll continue. You can see this is on the 19th of November. First thing we do, a markup our supports and resistance is where our resistance level is, and here we have a support level here. So let's simply see how it plays around 5:30. So let's see how it plays. We always need to be patient. Let market plays out. Okay. Okay, here we have a little breakout. So what I need price to do, let's zoom in. Now what I need price to do, I need price to simply give me a retest candle. Like I need price to create a level of retest and continue pushing upwards. So let's see how it goes. Okay, you can see the failure to break. But now if price should break above, if I see a candlestick, the next candlestick breaking above this particular one, like above here, then I'll probably enter an aggressive entry, like for the first step of it to be like 10 pips. So let's just do a setup. Let's put it somewhere around here, just in case price tries to push up and push our stop loss below. So let's say like first pip is take off is 10 pips. So let's see how it goes. Okay, that we got it. Wow, that was nice. So I think we got into this trade on Friday, and we secured. This was exactly how we entered the trade. We got into this trade on Friday, and after that, when I closed my system, we broke even, put our stop loss at break even, and price came to hit our break even position. And after that, I think the price just merited, and I was no longer in the system. I closed for the day when when all this occurred. I was done. And this was being a very good 100 pip fall. I think the price moved around 100 pip. This would have been a very good 100 pip fall. So that would be 140 pip. So that would be it on GBPJPY. It was a very choppy week, a very, very choppy week. Um, you can see that the candle has a lot of wick showing up everywhere. You can see it even on 4 hours. You can see up and down, up and down. You don't have clean candles. You can see it on the 1 hour time frame as well. See up and down, a lot of wicks, sideways movement. So the price didn't have a very good momentum this week. So it's good that we manage our stop and end up closing up the week in 2%, which is okay. It's not big, but it's something you can manage. It's better than being a negative week to manage our risks properly. And that's all. So let's see how this new week comes about. Let's see what we got in store for the new week. Thank you. You guys enjoy your day and peace out. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thumbs up, man.